What's up, people? It's your boy Mike Lana from Hot Atlanta. It's been a very long time since I made a video. I think it's been like 5 months. You know, honestly, I haven't really been in the mood to make like a YouTube video. If you guys follow me on like Instagram and all of that, you know, I've been making like the reels. But today I decided to make a video. Why not? Document today. Not sure what's gonna happen, but yeah, I'm in Memphis right now. About to head to somewhere 20 miles down the road. Gotta pick up this load and take it to Joliet, Illinois. Right now I'm at the Pilot. At that there boy. Now I'm over here in West Memphis for those, I guess, for all you drivers that know where the West Memphis is. Which is crazy because I come to these, it's right next to Memphis downtown Memphis. And this whole time I'm thinking I'm in Tennessee. Every time I come to these truck stops, for those that go to know where West Memphis is, you got your Loves, your Pilot, Petro, whatever, all that in one little intersection. So every time I come here, I think I'm in Tennessee, and I just realized yesterday I'm in Arkansas. They call it West Memphis, Arkansas. But I got my Spam in the skillet, about to make Spam. I eat Spam, yes I do. I definitely eat Spam. It ain't nothing but pork and ham. I mean, it's just like eating bacon. But I'm about to make my Spam. About to take this dog out. Paulo on the race. He's just over here chilling. About to take this dog out, and we about to hit the road. Woo! Baby, let's go. Got that Spizam. Just a little bit of Spam that goes wham! Yeah, I'm about to make this. Basically, I got my little container here. Make a couple of sandwiches to eat while I'm driving. So I'm gonna pick up this load here, boy. Good morning. All right, so I'm here at the Loves. Me and Apollo, I should say. We're close to Juliet. We're about 2 hours and 22 minutes away. As soon as I drop that load off, I have to go pick up another load, I think at the Home Depot. But we're gonna see. It's a beautiful morning. Just got finished using the bathroom. It's always a pleasure. And I'm about to start this clock, do this pre-trip, and get this show rolling. Let's roll out. 2 hours and 22 minutes to go. Let's go. Get to the money. All right, so got the fuel. Had to get me some new gloves, man. And these got the little grip on it. Makes it easier to turn. Makes it easier to turn this little grip right here. Take the top off way easier. Man, I had to go back and get some water for my dog. This is gonna be his jug. This is his water jug. I got my own. I got 2 jugs. That way I won't have to keep giving him my water. The water runs out all fast. Alright. I'm coming to steal your truck. Of course, he's not gonna bark at me. Alright, so of course we got the full 8 hours to go. This parking lot is pretty much empty. People are gone. I'm about to go myself. So let's start this clock and let's get this. Alright, so we done made it here to the Home Depot. Yeah, over here in Joliet. Got a thing full of tissue. Is he telling me to come over here? Man, I almost got attacked by a wasp. That thing done flew in the window. Luckily it flew out. Had to throw my phone down. But as soon as he come back, get the paperwork, go find me an empty, and I'm about 20 minutes away from where I gotta pick up the next load. So now we just waiting, playing the waiting game. All right, so I got my spot. We about to back up in this thing. Get this thing in the space so we can get up out of here, keep it moving, gotta keep those wheels turning. Let's see here. Alright, so I'm grabbing my empty, and I'm gonna have to sweep this thing out. Look at this. Best to sweep it out now so that way when I get to the next load or whatever, you know, because it could be food that I'm picking up, and I want the trailer to be clean already. That way I can get in and get out. Sweet. Oh! It's not like what it used to be. All right, let's go ahead and sweep this thing out. All right, so grabbed my empty, just got that load, dropped off. So for those that are in Joliet, Illinois, if you ran out of tissue, I just dropped off 29,000 pounds of it. So go to your local Home Depot probably today or tomorrow so you can go grab some tissue if you done ran out. You're welcome. So we on to our next trip. Just got here right on time. I was supposed to be here at 1, got here at 1 o'clock. And about to take this to Tyler, Texas. It's a Target load. So the previous load was a Home Depot. This one's a Target load. And about a good 800 miles. So I'm gonna drive what I can today. And then I pretty much gotta drive, I'm guessing probably like 7 or 8 hours tomorrow just to make it there. But it's paying pretty good. So, you know, I'm gonna make sure I get it there. No issues with that. This should hopefully be the end of what happened with my truck. Basically, the past couple of weeks, this has been like a very bad month. Truck broke down. I was out for like 2 weeks because I had one issue with my radiator, and it was leaking, and that was my intentional reason for going to even get the truck looked at and fixed. I had to get a whole new radiator. But on my way to go get the radiator, I started to have transmission issues, and basically the truck had a transmission fault, and I had to. It kept slipping on the gears. It would go from 10 to 12. It would just switch. It was just whatever. So I'm like, oh man, here go another issue. So basically, after the radiator was fixed, I said, hey, I got a transmission issue. Can you take a look at it? And I thought it was going to be something like super simple. Because he said, we just have to update the software or whatever, and maybe that'll work. They tried to update it, but it actually made it worse, because before they updated it, I could switch my gears. It'll skip the gear, but I can still drive the truck. until I get it fixed. I know I can't drive on there that long because it'll ruin the gears or whatever. After they did the upgrade, supposedly, now I can't even switch gears at all. It won't even let me, it didn't even let me switch gears. So I was already stuck in Ohio, close to Dayton somewhere. I was already stuck over there for a week for the radiator. Then I had to stay for another week just for a transmission because luckily my transmission was under warranty. They had to change some module or something like that, but they had to wait for it to come in. Took them like a day or two to get it repaired. And yeah, I had to stay at the hotel for a whole nother week. Well, no. I stayed in the truck the first week. The second week I stayed in the hotel. Red Roof Inn. It was a good moment. I mean, you know, we be in the truck so much. I mean, the circumstances wasn't what I wanted it to be, to stay in the hotel, to really enjoy it. But, you know, I was glad to have been in the hotel because I've been on the road for a while and been in this truck. So the hotel felt good. After like the first 2 days, I was ready to get up out of there, man. It started to get depressing. Like, man, I need to get back on this road. When are they going to fix this truck? So basically, truck got fixed, and like last week or the week before, last week, whatever, I got back on the road, and here I am today. Them 2 weeks put me in the hole. So hopefully this Texas trip, this is the trip that's gonna get me out of the hole so I can continue making money. Because those truck payments didn't stop. They're not gonna stop those truck payments, no matter how long your truck is in the shop. So anyway, thank y'all for riding with me from Memphis to Texas and this trip right here. You know, I got that load done. So now stay tuned. We about to go from here in Chicago, Joliet, Illinois, all the way down to Tyler, Texas to drop this Target load off. Make sure y'all subscribe, hit that like button, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Promise you I won't take a 5-month break again. You know, I went through a lot these past few months, but I'm trying to get back in the rhythm of making these videos and doing whatever I have to do, documenting my days and letting y'all see how it is as a truck driver and the things that I go through. But hit that like button. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure y'all follow me on Instagram, Twitter. What's the new one? Threads or whatever it is with Instagram. You can follow me on there. Tic Tok. Follow me on TikTok. Just look for Mike Lana. That's all you got to type in. Mike Lana. Not too hard. But peace. And I ain't said this in a minute. But keep those wheels turning. Because if them wheels ain't turning, you are not earning. Trust me. I had to go through it the past 2 weeks. But keep those wheels turning, baby. Other than that, peace. See y'all next time.